Today we're going to be building a Yamaha f115 fuel injector, which is the CDH210, as you can see here. Very first thing I'll do is thread it onto the filter removal tool. Pull the old filter out like this. There we go. I'm going to install a new lower seal here. Remove this upper seal here. Okay. And we'll install the upper seal like so. Push it back like this. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to use a dental pick. I'm going to grab that O-ring like that, pull off just like that, and I'm going to install a new one here, like so, as well as a new filter. As you can see, they are very, very minute screens, 2 micron. As you can see, there we go.